The first synthetic life has been created, and it's challenging our thoughts on abiogenesis and creationism. They're also the key to bringing back extinct animals. What you're looking at is Mycoplasma laboratorium, a synthetic bacteria that was made in a lab. They made these guys by taking another Mycoplasma species, taking out its genome, similarly to what we do in cloning, and then inserting a synthetic genome that was produced in a laboratory based on the sequences needed for life. This was under the guise of finding the minimal genome, but honestly, I'm betting you that the scientists used that as an excuse because they just wanted to see if they could do it. And they did. Mycoplasma laboratorium was made in 2010, but it didn't get a lot of fanfare for reasons that are beyond me. Today, scientists are still working to make eukaryotes. So yeast has a genome more similar to ours. They have about 7.5 chromosomes. It's much larger than a bacteria's, and we've gotten about 50% there. The really exciting part of this is that we can use this technology to bring extinct animals back to life. For many of the animals, like the thycline, we have some DNA, but a good portion of it is damaged or missing. Being able to fill in the gaps would be all we need aside from a host. We do actually know the complete genome of a woolly mammoth, but what we don't have are intact cells with intact DNA that could be used for cloning. Using the artificial means, we could fill in those gaps using sequences from other woolly mammoths that we know to put together the entire puzzle. And I know a lot of people would say, why don't we do this for animals that we already have? Well, we have their genomes and we could probably clone them, but it's still a little bit unethical to bring back an animal that may not have a population large enough to breed. And surely if we brought back woolly mammoths, they wouldn't be roaming wild in a world that can't support them anymore. They would end up being an attraction at a zoo. Now you know that